towns after towns that have been wiped out from Muslim population. Total ethnic cleansing, total wipeout. Ask your Burmese brothers and sisters. Ask your brothers and sisters from Syria what kind of nasty war was brought on them. It destroyed homes and millions became widows and orphans. Ya Allah. It happens. It comes in circles. And the third, economic front. Economically, they're trying to pressure Islam and Muslims from every avenue. Any way of life that Islam offers in a better economic shape, they will come after that. And then the last one is the intellectual front. You have writers, authors, very smart people who are constantly working on an intellectual way. Some of them will come to you as mustashriqeen, Orientalist. Oh, we mean good for Islam.